How to add frame or border around video or image in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut and start a new project. Bring the video clip to the timeline and select it. Then head over to the Basic tab and scale down the video so you will be able to see the border. When it's at, drag and drop the plain image you want to use as the border on the timeline. Then place the border image directly below the clip on the timeline. Then select it and open up the mask tab. Click add mask and make sure you have rectangle selected. Then try to edit the mask to fit the shape of the video the best you can. Once you are done, open the Basic tab and scale up the border till you are satisfied. You can adjust the mask later if you don't like the outcome. Then select both clips at the same time. Right click on one of them and select Create Compound Clip. Now both clips will become one and you will be able to edit it however you like. Then adjust the position as you want. Now for the image, go with the same process. Additionally, you can select any background for the better looks. Simply select any border and drag it to the timeline below your video and image clip. So that's how you can add frame or border around video or image in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.